Easter is almost here, and that means it's time to bring out all the pastels, the floral, and of course, all things bunny theme. Today, I am sharing some fun and creative ideas to set up an Easter dining table that's festive, fresh, and classic spring touches that makes your home feel extra cozy for this holiday. Let's hop right into it.
How come the stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are? What makes the sun go to sleep every night, and what's it dreaming of? I wonder. How come the sky sometimes hides behind the clouds? Maybe it's just like me, a little bit scared of heights. Why does the rain always keep on pouring down when it's gray outside? It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. I wonder. How come the trees get undressed when it's cold? And don't they miss the leaves they left behind? Could it be to make the ground shine like gold until winter comes? Until winter comes. Until winter comes. Makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. It really makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Stars come to shine when it's dark from so far away and show us where we are. It really makes me wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder. Oh, I wonder. Oh, I just wonder. Wonder. Yeah, I wonder. Yeah, it makes me wonder.
did this DIY a few years back and I had to do it again because I loved it so much. So what I did, I have 4 wine glasses and 4 flowers. What I'm going to do, I'm going to stick 1 flower in each of the wine glass, and after I'm done, I'm going to put each of them upside down. It's like I'm going to use the wine glasses as a candle holder. So I have those battery operated candles. I'm going to put one on each of the wine glass, and then you guys gonna see how it turned out. When I tell you, when I did it the first time, guys, it was so beautiful. It was so nice. I'm like, okay, I had to do it again because it was so nice. So as you can see, this is how it started looking like. So if you want to see what I'm talking about, try it and you will thank me later, guys. They so beautiful. They so nice. When I put the candles on top of the wine glasses, they so nice. You're gonna see, guys. Let's see how everything else turned out, and I will see you guys in the next clip. I have to bring some light to this table. What I'm going to do, I am going to use those beautiful gold lamp that I have. How they work, you tap on them, they light up. So I am going to place one on each end of this table to bring light on that table. I need light on this table. Guys, when I tell you, after I was done with the video, I was, wow, I did something. The table was so beautiful, guys. So I'm gonna add those gold lamp that I have. The reason why I'm adding those lamp is because at first the color scheme for the video, it was going to be pink and green, but I have so much pink I had to break it up. I have to break up the pink by adding some gold so I don't have that much pink. So you don't see that much pink. So that's the reason why I bring those lip. So guys, those candle holders is to die for. When I tell you I love those candle holders, they so beautiful, they so elegant. I love them so much, I had to have a few of them. I have 12. So I'm going to use 6 of them. I'm not going to use all of them. I'm going to use 6. And let me tell you what happened, guys. I have those candles. I have the wheel candles and I have the battery operated one. So I was going to use the wheel candles, but I don't want to create any fire. I don't know. I was so scared to use the wheel one. So I'm going to use the battery operated one. The reason why I wanted to use the wheel one, the green on the wheel one matches the table mat better. So the battery operated one, the green is lighter. So that's the reason why I wanted to use the will candles, but I don't want to create any fire, so I'm gonna go with the battery operated one. So that's what we're doing, guys. So let's see how everything turned out.